Open website https://WeEvaluate AI. Now click the menu, Partner. Now, please click on the Login to Partner Portal button. This action will redirect you to the https://partner WeEvaluate AI page. Once there, click on the Login to Partner Portal button again, which will then redirect you to the login page. From the login page, click on the Sign Up link. Now give your email ID and password as per the instruction. Make sure your password should be strong, then click on button Continue, then click on Accept button. Afterward, a pop-up will appear indicating Email Not Verified. Navigate to your provided email inbox and locate the verification email. Click on the verification link within the email, then follow the prompts to verify your account. Return here once verification is complete, log out, and log in again using the same credentials. Next, a form related to your organization will load. Fill in the details, including your organization name, organization code, in short, first name, last name, contact number, role, and location. Note that you can't edit your email ID. Ensure your company email ID is provided. Once all details are filled, select the checkbox to enable the Create Profile button. Click on Create Profile to proceed. Your profile will be created, and the admin will verify it. Upon verification, the admin will send a verification code to your company's email ID. After receiving your verification code, enter it into the designated field and click on Verify Code. Once the verification is successful, you'll be directed to the dashboard. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we'll explain how to send invitations, create a job, and much more.